Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to address some issues with the Skyline. As you probably heard, startup's not too bad, but when you're driving around, it's just too loud. So I'm going to put it back to stock, and also have an issue here. Let's see if we can get it. It's in manual. It's not in manual. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today, is making sure that goes into manual every single time. Well guys, it's about 2 days later since that last scene. Been a bit lazy, been pretty tired, but it's raining and I'm going to get my mum's car out of the garage, park it on the road, and then get the Skyline in. I'm going to reverse it in so I can change the exhaust back. It is really annoying. It does sound good, but probably pissing off the neighbours. So comment down below guys, what is a good rear muffler, like aftermarket rear muffler that's actually got a good note to it but not too loud. Something that's quiet, you know, below 3000 RPM would be good. Yeah, let's do it. Hey guys, just brought the Skyline in. Needs to cool down a bit because I'm playing around with the exhaust. I'm going to bring mum's car in here and just let it run for a little bit, as it had a bit of trouble starting. It's only been sitting for 3 days. I had trouble starting, so there's something going on there with the Koleos. But yeah. Alright guys, I've got a new casing on the GoPro, so hopefully that helps with the audio a little bit. I had heaps of them and I didn't realise that you could just change like the front of them or the back of them. Anyway, I've got the holes on the side for power, so I'll set you up onto the tripod and we'll get this exhaust back to stock. Hey guys, so if you weren't sure what I actually did to make it loud, I just gapped it out that much by putting a nut on the stud. So I'm just going to have to get the nuts off, get that earth that I can't see but you guys probably can, and just reinsert the O-ring seal and just close it up. It's just too loud, too drony. Alright guys, so I've taken all the nuts off, so it's apart. Now I need to put the gasket back in. Alright guys, that is all done. Exhaust is back to normal. Now I've got to deal with going to sports mode or manual shifting. So let's get on to that. Damn birds. Anyway, in about 15 minutes I need to head back to work, so I'm going to leave this here and take eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'll take that. Alright guys, I am back from work. I've got about half an hour before I need to go pick up Marley. So let's have a look here and I'm still in the garage, so I'm trying to get some light from my shop light. It's not sitting very good. Yep. Stay. Alright. So I can't get into sport shift all the time. Like park, drive. Of course it's going to do it now. Shh. Put it back in park. Turn it off. Turn it on. Anyway, there's something here that shouldn't be by the feel of it. And this is up. So I'm going to get this trim piece off and figure out what's going on, because that might be the issue. Whatever's poking up doesn't feel like it should be there. So yeah. What the neighbours are doing. Hey, look at this. Whoop. Can't find my little Windows sucker, so this is gonna have to do for now. Right, boys, so I was just poking and prodding around trying to get this off, and I couldn't get it off. So it might be a little weekend job when I got a little bit more time. But every time I started it now, it's been going into manual. So I might drive this round. I'll drive it, pick up Marley, go back to work tonight, and see if it keeps going into manual mode. And if it does, obviously push something and it's like reconnected or something. But on the weekend I'll get into here and clean this up, because I need to fix that. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to finish this episode here, and once again, sorry it's a bit late. I haven't really done that many videos this week, but yeah, it's been a bit of a lazy week. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't. Damn birds. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.
2 hours later.
So the sport shift still isn't working, so stay tuned for next episode when we'll tackle that.